Okay, today's tech tool is called onlinevoicerecorder.com, and I like this one because it's really easy to use and embed, and it's really great if you need to, let's say, have the directions read aloud on a Google slide, or have the directions read aloud on a Google Doc, or really just have anything that you want the students to hear. But it'd be great for an accommodation, but it's really good for all students. So you just go to onlinevoicerecorder.com, you click the button, and immediately it's going to show you that you're recording. So here's where you would give the directions, read whatever it is that you need to have read to the students, and then you press pause, stop, and then it's going to give you the option to save. So it's going to download a file for you right over here. And then after that, you're going to go to your Google Drive. You're going to hit New, Upload File, and it's going to find that file for you. You click Open, and I want to keep separate because I have a different recording on here. So then I have that recording right there. Okay, so then I can go to a Google slide, and wherever I have that content, and I can say Insert Audio from my drive, and I'm going to choose the one that it is. It's going to give me a little icon here, and then you can play it and you can hear it. You can change the volume here. Also down the side, it has stop when you change the slide or loop automatically. So that it gives you some different options if you want to play with for your playback. All right, that's your tech tool for today.